How to cancel Whoop membership. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel the Whoop membership. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your browser and log into your Whoop account by going to whoop.com. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to join a membership, there is a certain process you need to follow. Just click on join now. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can see this customize option. So here you just need to scroll down a bit until you see a continue option. Just click on it. After continuing, you'll be able to see a bunch of plans for different kind of memberships. So what you're going to do is simply purchase it. And if you have purchased any of the plans and you want to cancel the purchase of your membership, there are certain requirements. One of them is if you like to cancel a membership, you need to follow these instructions, like head to the membership section of the web page. After that, click the cancel your membership link at the bottom of the page to initiate the process. After that, depending on your membership type, you'll be presented with some options, like if you have paid up to 12 or 24 months, in order to cancel, you need to settle your membership and at the end of the upfront period. Whereas for if you have paid monthly and within the 12-month commitment, you need to pay in full for the remaining months of your commitment or schedule your membership to end your commitment and date. And for paying monthly and outside of the 12-month commitment, you should cancel your membership before next billing date and continue the Whoop until you reach your membership end date. Once it's officially cancelled, date will not be collected and uploaded or analyzed any of your biometric data. So if your membership is paused, you'd like to cancel, you must unpause it first by heading to the membership section of the web page to reactivate it. And you should just follow the steps in order to cancel a membership. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.